Okay, so good day everyone. So our group was assigned to report the chapter 7, which is all about the common Philippine herbs used for preventing and treating diseases for animals. So as to continue the report of Miss Shara Ohel about the top herbal parts in the Philippines, I will tackle the remaining herbal in the Philippines that we can found in the Philippines. First is the aloe vera or sabila. Okay, so I know that we are very familiar with this plant. So the scientific name for aloe vera is Aloe barbadensis Miller liquid. And this is a succulent plant that is used to treat burns, cuts, eczema, and other disorders. So it has antiviral, antifungal, antibiotic, antioxidant, and antiparasitic properties. So aloe vera is very popular medicinal plant that people use for thousands of years. So it offers a lot of health benefits for humans and for animals as well. Okay? So the parts that is utilized in aloe vera are the leaves, the pulp, and the sap. So these are the parts that is utilized in aloe vera. So aloe vera have many health benefits and can be used for the following. For first is the alopecia. So when I say alopecia, this is means hair loss. Okay? And can also be used for falling hair. So aloe vera can be used as a shampoo. So some of the shampoo brands uses aloe vera as an ingredient. One of an example is the Palmolive shampoo. Am I right? Okay. So aloe vera is also used to dandruff. Okay. To prevent dandruff, you can use aloe vera. So it can preserve our hair. So it is used for dysentery. So when you say dysentery, this is the intestinal infection that causes severe diarrhea with blood. So when a person suffers dysentery, we can recommend aloe vera. So the leaf juice that is mixed with milk can be used for dysentery. And this is also can be used for pains of the kidney, for skin burns, for scalds. So when we say scalds, ito yung mga napaso na parte ng ating katawan due to hot liquids and steams. So it can also be used for scrapes or mga pangos nga or caused by an accident. This also used for sunburn and for wounds. So aloe vera is used for wound healing. So one of this is the conjunctivitis. So when I say conjunctivitis, this is the redness in your eye along with itching. So we can use the leaf juice to apply it in the outer eyelid. Okay? So another is for the sprains and sore throat. So aloe vera also contains several vitamins and other nutrients that help our animals boost their immune system and to make them more resistant to diseases. So those are the healthy benefits of aloe vera. Okay. The next one is the virgin coconut oil. So virgin coconut oil comes from a coconut tree. Okay, so this is though this is not a medicinal plant, but it is very popular alternative medicine widely used in our country today. So it is taken internally for various ailments like diabetes to high blood pressure. So when you have relatives who suffers diabetes and high blood pressure, you can recommend them virgin coconut oil. So it is also applied to skin and scalp to nourish and heal. Okay, so virgin coconut oil can be produced from fresh coconut milk meat or residue. So, as we all know that virgin coconut oil comes from a coconut tree. So the parts that is utilized in a coconut tree are the roots, the bark, the bloom of the leaf, the cabbage, the flowers, and the fruit. Okay? So as you can see in the picture, these are the parts that is utilized in a coconut tree. So virgin coconut oil offers a lot of health benefits and can be used for the following. Okay, so first is the abscesses. So when we say abscesses, these are the the pizza. Okay, so another is the asthma. Okay, so it can cure asthma, for baldness, yung pagkaupaw, yes. So we can use virgin coconut oil for this one. It is also used for burns, for bruises. So when we say bruises, these are the mga pasa sa katawan na tumutubo, okay? So these are used for virgin coconut oil is also used for cough and colds, for kidney stones, for scabies. So when we say scabies, these are the pimple-like skin rash. These are irritated, okay? Okay, so this is also used for ulcers, for dandruff, for diarrhea or vomiting, for dry skin. Yes, we can use virgin coconut oil. We can apply it directly to the skin, to the affected area. Okay, and also for rheumatism. So, virgin coconut oil is abundant in vitamin E. Okay, that uh, can cure skin disorders. So, virgin coconut oil also is generally safe for dogs to eat in small amounts or even apply it to their skin or fur. Okay, so is it clear to you the uh, benefits that we can get from virgin coconut oil? Okay, so let's move on to the another herbal parts in the Philippines. So the oregano. Okay, so oregano are commonly known for us as carabo or calabo. Okay, so the scientific name for oregano is the Oregano vulgare. Okay, so oregano is a perennial herb with antioxidant and antimicrobial properties. So this is taken internally for the prevention of degenerative arthritis, relief of cough, okay, osteoarthritis, asthma, and upset stomach. So the oregano is commonly used as to cure coughs. Okay? Dito tayo, ito yung madalas na ginagamitan natin ng oregano, yung mga ubo. Okay? So, the parts that is utilized from oregano are the leaves. Yes. So, oregano can be used for the following. So, for the external burns, so we can pitch a leaf of oregano to and rub it into our hands, and we can apply it directly from extracting the leaves to cure or to use it for external burns and also for centipede and scorpion bites. So we can use oregano. It's also used for headache, for dyspepsia. So when I say dyspepsia, this is the abdominal pain. Asthma. Okay, so as what I have uh, said earlier, for chronic cough, for bronchitis. Okay, so for colic. So when I say colic, ito yung kabag ng mga baby. 'Di ba? So, if ang baby is umiiyak, ayaw tumigil sa pag-iyak, akala mo nagugutom, so pinapadede, pero ayaw. Akala mo rin naantok, pero ayaw matulog. So, ginagawa ng mga nanay is pinipikpik yung tiyan, and then they quickly know that it is a colic or kabag. So we can use oregano. And also for flatulence, so when I say flatulence is farting, okay, so panuhot. So we can use oregano, especially for the pregnant women, okay, so you can use oregano. So for rheumatism, okay, for earaches, for sprains, for felons, okay, so um, for painful swellings, so when we say painful swellings, ito yung um, manghupong ang tiil gani kana mao na ang painful swellings. Okay, felon, when we say felon, it kaning hubag sa kamot. Usually sa kamot na siya, fingertip, mahubag siya and kadalasan mo siya magnana. So mao na siya. We can use oregano for that. Okay, so for sore throat, for diarrhea, and for fever. Okay, so for the animals, we can use the oregano if for feeding, fresh or dried oregano or the more concentrated oregano oil consistently. So it keeps the bacteria and parasite illness away from your animals. So in addition, um, it helps the animals' intestines to recover and heal from illness. Okay, so another is the long turmeric. Yeah, this one. So long turmeric is a ginger family. Belongs to a ginger family. So the scientific name for long turmeric is the Curcuma longa. Okay, so long turmeric, it is a common spice that comes from the root of Curcuma longa. So it contains a chemical called curcumin which might reduce swelling. So turmeric also has a warm, bitter taste and is frequently used for flavor or color curry powders, mustards, butters, and cheeses. Okay, so the parts that is utilized in long turmeric are the rhizome and leaves. So as you can see, the rhizome is found in the roots and the leaf is okay. So there is the leaf. Okay, so uh, long turmeric offers a lot of healthy benefits. So this can be used for the following. It can be used as a tea. Yes, so mostly, as what I have known, our lolas and lolas used turmeric for as a tea. So, um, because it promotes weight loss, it improves digestion and metabolism. It keeps you looking young because of its antioxidant properties, and it protects body from infections. Okay, so turmeric also can be used for fevers, for dysentery, for castration wounds. Okay, for example, when we are castrating our piglets, so for the castration to heal quickly, we can use that turmeric. Okay, so it is also used for cough, colds in poultry and ruminants. Anthementic. So when you say anthementic, this destroy parasitic works, okay, for animals. So it is good for antiseptic for wounds. So when we say antiseptic, this is a disinfectant. This that prevents the growth of the disease-causing organisms. Okay, so this is also used for insect bites, for ringworm, bleeding, for smallpox, chickenpox, and parasitic skin infections. Okay, so long turmeric is, can be in animal products is primarily promoted as anti-inflammatory supplement for dogs suffering from medical conditions that cause stiffness and discomfort in their bones and joints. Okay, so another example of a herbal parts in the Philippines is the sour soup. Okay, so this is commonly known as, in our vernacular, as ubana or the goyabano. So the scientific name for sour soup is the Annona moricata. Okay, so this have a broad-leaf flowering evergreen tree, and it is native to the tropical regions of the Americas and the Caribbean and is widely propagated. Okay, so um, the in okay, so the parts that is utilized in sour soup are the flower, the leaves, and the fruit. So here it is, okay? So sour soup offers, again, a lot of healthy benefits. And it can be used for the following: for the head legs, okay? For the kuto. If you want to remove the kuto, you can use the sour soup. So for the bed bugs, for the chiggers. So when I say chiggers, these are the tiny mites that uh, is parasitic larvae that causes irritation and dermatitis. Okay, so this is also used for anti-scorbutic. So when I say anti-scorbutic, this is for curing scurvy, or scurvy is the lack of vitamin C. Example of this is bleeding gums. Okay, so you can use soursop for that. Another is the inflammation. This results in chronic pain, stiffness, and damage to health body tissues. Another is the swollen feet. Okay, so anong hubag ang tiil. Okay, so that cause ang hinungdan ani usay is the arthritis or rheumatism or swollen feet. So you can use soursop for that. Another is the eczema. So eczema, this is common skin condition that causes itchy, red, dry, and irritated skin. Okay, so skin disorders. It's also used for skin eruptions. So these are the pimple-like skin rash. This is also used for dysentery and parasitism. Okay, so okay, so that's all of my report. Thank you.